Okay, so your project is all done and it's ready to take it off the needles. That's called casting off. Putting your stitches on is called casting on. Now we're going to cast off. Okay, so whatever you were doing in your pattern, knitting or purling, here we're knitting. So whatever you were doing, knitting or purling, do 2 of those. So we're going to knit 2 stitches. Knit 1, knit 2. To cast off, you put your needle in the back loop, pull it up and over. We're going to knit another one. We're going to put our needle in the last one, pull it up and over. And again, if you were doing a purling pattern, you'd be doing this as purl. You just knit 1 as regular. Put your needle in that back stitch, pull it up and over. You knit a stitch or purl a stitch, whichever it is, pull it up and over. If you were per se ribbing, which is knit 2 stitches, purl 2 stitches, you would be doing the same thing, knitting 2 and then purling 2 to get this done. Whatever the stitch you're going into is supposed to be, that's what you do, a knit or a purl. You put your needle in the back and just pull it up and over. That's it. Knit a stitch, needle in the back loop, pull it up and over. That's it. All there is to it. Okay. Up and over. Now here we are at the last one. So we knit it, we pull it up and over. Pardon me. You're left with 1 stitch. Okay. Now if this is a pattern that you have to sew together, you need to leave yourself enough wool to sew your seam together. So if it doesn't, and you just have to thread your extra wool in, and it doesn't matter, cut it wherever. Okay? You're going to pull your loop up a little bit, and you're going to thread that string through the hole. Okay? You're going to thread it, just pull it through. You're just going to pull it tight. That's it. Then you would put it on a needle, a sewing needle, a big one with a big hole, and you thread it through so it can disappear. That's it. That's all there is to it.